What's up, guys? This is Genoj, and I am the construction king. And behind me is a property that my students have flipped. And this is their first property, And me, I cannot be more proud of them because they did a fantastic job on this property. They paid $360 for it. They're in at about 80, and they're already under contract for $610,000. So you do the math.
Hi, I'm Hillary Smith.
Jahad Smith.
And this is our first flip.
What's one of the things that I guess you were worried about or nervous about upon purchasing this property?
So we watch a lot of HGTV and stuff, and you always see like nightmares or like people find stuff after demo, and it's just like unseeable things that after you purchase the house you find, and then it's just a bunch of money coming out that you didn't expect. So I think that was probably
money pit. We didn't want a money pit.
Yeah, that was probably the biggest concern.
Navigate how to handle the money and manage the contractors.
And finding reliable people, but Genoj's helped us out with that quite a bit, so that's made things a lot easier for us.
For sure.
If you're looking to learn how to buy and flip properties and redevelop properties, then our boot camp and our coaching is definitely a must, because it's going to save you years and years and years of headache and pain, and it's also going to accelerate your learning process so you can have the type of success on your first flip as well. So without further ado, let's take a look at the inside, and you tell me how they did on this property. So here we are in the inside of this property. And again, they did a great job. One of the things I love about it is they really paid attention to details. Sometimes it's the little things that can separate you from everyone else. Let me show you one of these details. You see this? They did the floors, but they also found a vent and made it blend in and match. That's paying attention to details. Also, we have a lot of good wow factors. So as soon as you walk in, you have this nice fireplace that they designed. They also put the shelves here. I like the fact that they had the shelf stain coordinating with the floors. That's really eye-catchy, and it tied everything together. So from a design standpoint, they did a great job. And these are some of the things that we teach you in our boot camp and our coaching, because we have a lot of experience flipping properties or redeveloping properties, and everything matters if you want to get top dollar on your property. One of the challenges with this house was trying to figure out what to do with the kitchen, because the old kitchen actually had a peninsula here, and it took up a lot of space, so it felt really bulky. And at first, we weren't sure about getting an island in here, but we designed it and we made it work, because having an island inside of your house can actually add a lot of extra value to everything that you're doing. So boom, we had the island put in. They decided to two-tone everything, which I thought was a great choice. And it's just something about that gold and that blue that tied everything together. And then having those floors of light color really helped continue to tie everything together. And of course, the stager did a fantastic job. And this is the stuff that you learn in our boot camp. This is the stuff that you learn in our coaching. You learn mastermind tips to be able to help you make another 40, 50, 60, even 100 grand on your properties. Because right now it's harder to find properties, and every property that you get, you need to try to maximize what you can do on it. So let's take a look at that master bedroom. So here we go in the master bedroom. We had a lot of decisions to kind of make in here. But again, I made some suggestions, but at the end of the day, they picked out all their finishes. They did a really good job. One of the things that I love about the master is it just coordinates very well. As you can see, we have this sliding barn door that has the black metal on it. And it coordinates perfectly with the tile. And as you walk into the bathroom, you have the black and white tile. You also have the gold fixtures. Everything came out the way it should, and it looks great. So coordinating, picking out good finishes and paying attention to detail is how you make money in today's market, how you maximize all of your profit. Attention to detail. You've seen this house, it's looking good. Our coaching program and our boot camps, these are some of the things that you learn in our programs. Let me show you the other bathroom. So this bathroom also turned out very well. I like what they did with the tile. It's very simple, because sometimes when you have a simple tile, you can focus on other aspects of the bathroom. So everything's simple, but they decide to go with a nice, color behind the toilet, which really brings out the wall, which really brings out the room, and it gives it some character. It makes it fun. They did a great job on this bathroom. Everything ties in perfectly, and the buyers absolutely love it, and I love it too. So there you have it, guys. I'm very proud of these students. This is their first flip. And they're making well over $100,000 on their first one. So congratulations to them. If you want to do the same thing and have success, then tap into our boot camp. The boot camp is the constructionkingbootcamp.com. Tickets are on sale and they will go fast. So make sure you hit that link and go sign up. We also have courses available too. So if you're doing some self-paced stuff or you just want to learn the numbers, we have that course available. So tap in, no matter where you are. If you're a beginner, if you have done some, or you're an experienced person, we have something for everyone. So tap in, y'all hit the links below. Hopefully see you in the coaching or see you at one of our boot camps. This is Genoj. Until next time, guys, I'm out.